So the slope, you have to find the slope and y-intercept in these two things. So the first thing is the slope. It's where is your x and y. So my x and y here. So here's my x, and here's my y. They're on the same side of the equation, but on opposite side equations, which is good. So I take my x value, which is 5, over my y value, which is minus 15. So x and y. And then I've got to find my number in y. My number in y. Here's my number in y. They're on the same side of the equation. That's also bad. That's bad. So then I take my number, which is 5, over my y value, which is minus 15. Now notice nothing is reduced. Nothing is reduced. So knowing this stuff, this is my calculation. I can say, well, it kind of doesn't match, but it does. If I go to Desmos and I graph it, so I'm just going to go 5 minus 15y equals 5x. So I know it's a negative slope. It's a negative wheelchair ramp. Negative wheelchair ramp. So this slope here is positive. Oops. So slope of B is positive. It's positive 1/3. I get rid of that because it's positive. Also, the slope of D is also positive. I get rid of that. So the only two that have negative slopes are C and N. But looking at it, one's a mountain, one's a wheelchair ramp. C is a mountain. A is a wheelchair ramp. And the answer has to be A. Make sense? Our calculations will prove it, but if you're doing this for something else, you just say, okay, here's my numbers, and this is my number produced.